picture too or no?
No.
Wait,
All right.
it's blurry. Hold on, let me see. There it goes. I
All
got
right, we got to get this thing ready to go. Let's get the lights on first. Here we go. It works. So, well, it's a little tender. See that? She's a little tender, but she's all right. This is my pilot boat, my Aeronaut Pilot boat I finally finished building. It was a pain in the rear to build. I've got every light I can think of working on it. Two, I think 900 kV outrunners, two separate battery packs for the lights and for the power, and two of the modules, the Grotner control hobby modules for the lights. Plus, I can swing the, take a good look at it. I can swing the back and forth.
I'm zoomed in right now.
Yeah, and let's turn on the radar. All right, she's all lit up now.
The radar.
So this is the maiden run. I'm gonna drive it for a while. If it doesn't take on water, she's a keeper. If it does take on water, she might be for sale.
That won't be disclosed.
Yeah, that'll be like that.
It's kind of like, you know, when they put like, you know, gear oil in the engine. They sell it to you.
Now the sad thing is, the those control hobbies modules have a flashing function if you pull the jumper, and I wanted the actual pilot lights, which are the blue and the yellow, to flash. And I'll be doggone is that for some reason it won't work on that. You know, they won't flash.
You know
if
what
I
you
pull
need?
that, it flashes all of them. But if I did some messing around with it and played with it, and it's just it's a bad spot in the module.
You know, it'd be kind of cool though if you add extra 2 lights on each side above the name Pilot, so that at nighttime it comes on, you can see the name of the boat. Wouldn't that be cool?
You know, so you can see the lights inside if you look real close.
Yeah.
Yeah. It needs a little more power, just a little bit.
No, it doesn't.
Pilot boats are supposed to be fast, okay? Because you're getting out there to go,
In a hurry
yeah.
to save lives.
But as tender as she is, maybe not. The thing is also, I've got her ballasted about they give you a range, 2,400
Watch my radio.
grams to 3,000 grams, all right? And I'm ballasted about 2,800 grams. So I think another 6 ounces might do the trick, get her down in the water a little bit more, a little less tender. But with all the weight you have in building that superstructure, plus the lights and the modules and blah blah blah, it's gonna be hard to keep it from being tender. It's just it's gonna be tough. So, but it's in the water.
And it's blue.
And it's blue.
What's that, French blue?
It's that French blue, that same blue I painted the craggle.
You seem to like that blue.
This would look cool at night, wouldn't it?
Yeah. Like I said, I would add 2 extra lights over the names. At nighttime, it comes on, you see the word Pilot down the sides. You know, one little
Well, I
light.
thought about putting deck lights on and everything else, but I started running out of room for wires.
Wow. There's plenty of room in there still.
Actually, if the thing didn't have the interior like it does, it'd been much easier to wire it up. You know what I'm saying? This thing's actually got 2 floors you can take out, the screws.
Really?
With the seats and stuff in it.